What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol JPM for JPMorgan Chase & Company. On the left-hand side, we do have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. Now, the first thing I need to point out is that they did give us an earnings announcement before the bell on Thursday's session, and obviously that led to lower, but look right where it left us off, right at the daily blue line there, which is, of course, the infamous 50 SMA. So let's start by giving ourselves a daily roadmap, if you will, just pointing out obvious areas of support and resistance. Then we'll talk more nuance as we drill down to the 30-minute intraday time frame. Certainly, it's not necessarily in play, right? But those highs up there are certainly resistance, and that's going to kind of cap it off in terms of obvious areas from the daily at least. Again, just noting that we're sitting right on top of the 50 SMA there. So taking a look at the 30-minute intraday to see how this move actually unfolded, you can see that it was all in one fell swoop. Basically, right out of the gates here, big selling activity right into, let's grab the Fibonacci's here, right into that daily 50 SMA. So coming in from the high all the way down to the low, note that it also filled the gap overhead and then reversed, which of course is a good thing in terms of repairing structure. So the buyers did what they were supposed to do, and then the sellers did what they were supposed to do, okay? So that's a healthy thing. Coming in from high to low, though, what you'll notice is that at no point during the day was there an attempt to close a candle up and over that 38.2, which is slightly concerning, especially remembering that this move unfolded all in one go right into the daily 50 SMA. So to me, it should have produced a little bit more of an aggressive bounce, and it didn't. Instead, what we saw was pretty weak consolidation, right? Back towards the lows, putting in a bit of a flush point in the last couple 30-minute sessions here. So to me, looks like it wants to go lower. And of course, the one piece of conflicting information is that 50 SMA. So I would be cautious here, honestly, inside of JP Morgan, given the sort of push-pull dynamic that we're getting from the intraday 30-minute as well as the daily 50 SMA there. Again, I really place a lot of emphasis into that particular moving average. So for me, it's not just a blind short here until we can clearly flush these lows and get price acceptance underneath the 50 SMA without any sort of grindy activity lower, right? It really has to go on high tempo for me to want to get involved in a move like that, given, again, the location of where we are on the daily. If there is any sort of lift early on in the session, obviously your 38.2 is the first critical number to recapture. That's at 162.44. After that, you're looking at this prior area of resistance here. Actually, you know what? I lied. It's probably this, to be honest with you, the gap fill area where it rejected from at 165. All right, that is going to be the next upside target if it wants to reverse and put in some sort of bullish pattern here and then break out higher. So that's going to leave it off here inside of JP Morgan. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.